Tinaga Zulu asim zumumu walele simqondanqo. Hey, my God, I'm gonna miss all of that. Siyabonga, thank you so much, guys. Durban, Joburg, Nismelile, Napiga, in the malls, in your numbers, like siyabonga, cool. So in other activations, there's something very exciting that's coming up. Mzansi Magic will announce it very soon. I want to say to the entire MultiChoice DSTV and Mzansi Magic team, you guys outdid yourselves. Umsebenzi enufakile was just unbelievable. Siyabonga futhi Shirley, siyabonga sis Queen and your entire team. Thank you, Dylan. Oh my God, the exhibition was out of this world. Siyabonga. Anyway, 15th June 2025, 8 p.m. Sunday, Shaka Ilembe season 2 is coming back. I'm exhausted and I get to rest for 2 days. So I'm so happy. But I just wanted to say siyabonga. Niphumile ngeningi lenu nasimisa at such a time when we needed you the most. Thank you, South Africa. We will see you on the 15th of June. And again, something exciting is coming. Oh, also shout out to S2 Media. The activation, Nishaile, with so much respect, with so much grace, with such precision and excellence, and making sure that every single cast member felt so important and so well taken care of. Siyabonga. Ciao.